Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This Bizzy Birdz triangle woven loofah swing is tough and provides many elements for your bird to enjoy. It has a large weave, which makes it easy for them to climb, and the colorful beads create a point of interest for them to play with. The triangular shape gives your bird a private hangout space if they need some downtime to calmly chill out. Your bird will love all the different textures this toy has, and will play for hours. For lots of playtime fun, order today.